An Italian chef taught me this. Now you'll want to make pasta only this way in the air fryer. In a glass container, start by breaking the spaghetti noodles, about 300 grams. Now on top, add pre-grated mozzarella. Season with a little sweet paprika, some salt, a bit of Calabrian pepper. Now add water up to the pasta level. Then add some milk. Let's give it a light stir. Now let's close it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now let's open it and add some oregano on top. Let's close it and let it cook again. And look everyone, how incredible it looks. Once it browns, just open, remove and enjoy. This creamy pasta made in the air fryer is wonderful. Make it at your home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's a big hug. See you next time and thanks. An Italian